Braidwood opener. We're sleeping in the truck tonight. Stars are beautiful tonight. You can actually see the stars. But yeah, we're sleeping in the truck. Got the Walmart sleeping bag blankie. Sorry, Mom, for using this blanket. I don't know if it was loud or not, but I took it. Got Charlie's pillow. Ford Estates. Love sleeping in the truck, so it'd be fun. But good amount of boats in line already, which is crazy. But yeah, ready to go take a nap and then get after it tomorrow. Go catch bigs. Boat's all clean. Rods are rigged. Got assortment of stuff. Got 8 rods on the deck. Got a new sticker. Got boat's clean. Boat's nice. Everything's ready to go. And ready to go catch some bass tomorrow. Okay. Little North Face sleeping bag. Got a Sims jacket on. Charlie's warm. Snug as a bug in a rug. Right?
Snug.
Nice experience. That's what we do it. Gonna get to go bass fishing tomorrow. Things we do for a nice 3-pound bass. Gee. Okay, you can turn off the lights now. Just got up. It's 5 something in the morning. Probably a big line out the back. You can see all the Facebook posts. There's a bunch of people here now. But it was nice to sleep in a little bit because everyone usually wakes up really early. And I would have woken up at like 2 in the morning today. So nice to sleep in till 5. I slept really good in this sleeping bag. Charlie slept good too, he said. Lighting's kind of terrible. Sorry about that. But it's almost time to go fishing. Getting launched here. Got the moon. Charlie's just walking, doing whatever. But giant line of boats. I'd say we were like 12th boat in line or so. But let me show you guys what's behind us. Tons of people. It's going all the way around there. Sunrise is beautiful though. Glad to go fishing. Yep, keep her going, honey. Keep her going, keep her. I've been letting the motor warm up since we've launched, so that's good. I know, we're going this way. Yeah. Good amount of line. Yeah. Yeah. First one of the day. Little Braidwood. Little Braidwood. Cool, first one. Yeah, I see him sitting in the reeds. I'm live.
Really?
Yeah. I literally flipped where I saw fish and I caught him. Another one. Nice. Swim bait. You like hit like schools of them, you know what I'm saying?
Really small. He's growing. I got one. Down, boy. One, a little guy. Nobody.
His tongue up to his, so it's okay. fighting the ass out of this thing. Or actually like change hooks on the. Can I just went, oh wow, nice.
Alright, now we're getting on to something.
Wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month.
Get up.
Get up. We're having a lot of fun. That's good. I like having fun fishing. Good one, huh? Yeah, be careful up there, Charlie. I know it looks appetizing up there. Like a big, Jesus. Yeah. Nice one. Look at that jackhammer down his throat.
Good one.
Yeah, true.
What are those guys doing? They're like trolling.
No, out there it's like a rock flat out there. Good one too. Good one too.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Just lay down right here. Nice one. Nice, G. A 3-pounder. Here, let me show him, G. Yeah, 3-pounder. Just show him the GoPro real quick.
Nice one.
Yeah. Yeah, fucking fell off the boat, G. You can still get it up, but okay, here we go. Today, recording, but first one in a long while. Yeah. Oh no, 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 what? My hot foot just got stuck. My spring broke. Oh my God, really? Jesus Christ, hammered it. Striper. Crazy. What? Yeah, it's like the weirdest place to catch one though. Here. Okay, okay. Ow! Oh my God, that almost fucking hurt really bad. Hey, buddy. In your mouth. Yeah.
Just bacon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it looks massive.
Good.
Got it, yeah. I seen it come up, I thought it was like a 6-pounder. Probably should go to T-rig. I knew this spot looked gas, I was like,
Nice. Well, I'm eating food, Charlie. Show them with the GoPro. First fishing, like,
ah, it's been a struggle.
yeah, now we're gonna do another. Hey, there's bass in here. Yay! It's good though. I got bit. I got bit. Cool. Nice fish, finally catching some. Well, done fishing. It was actually a lot colder of a day than I expected. And the ramp's pretty much cleared out already. It's crazy. Tough bite, honestly. It wasn't that bad. But it was pretty tough at the end once those clouds came out. But yeah, good day.